Hello guys, welcome back to another model kit or an inbox model kit review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Airfix Avro Vulcan in 1/72nd scale. This plane comes in two different variants, so you have the later 1960s version, then you have the earlier 60s version. So if you know much about my channel, you know I do a lot of boat reviews and I've done a lot of World War II planes. So I've decided to go on and do some Cold War era planes, because honestly, to tell you the truth, I don't know that much about the Cold War. Surprisingly, I know a lot about World War II, a lot about World War I. Nothing about the Cold War, or at least very little. I know the basics of it, obviously, but I just, So, so to start off, I got this kit on eBay. I think I paid €65 for this. Now, for my American viewers, I don't know the translation for that, I apologize. But this kit is actually surprisingly expensive. Now, I didn't know why this kit was so expensive. It was only until I got it and I realized why. This kit is huge. Like, really, really big. Now, obviously it makes sense, it's a bomber, right? So, I mean, just look at the wings on this thing. It's huge. Now, I have quite small hands. Most of you know this already, so I know. This kit is much bigger to me, trust me. Let's see here. We got the actual windows and stuff. It's just a big plane. The molding, from what I can see, looks pretty darn good. It just looks like a scaled up fighter aircraft, really. That's the only really way I can put it. Again, like I said, I'm not completely adept on the whole, Cold War era bombers. Well, that's why I'm building Cold War bombers now, so I can actually, as part of a whole educational thing. So, doing that as well. That looks like the payload that's on the underneath of the aircraft. All I know about this aircraft is it sounds amazing, and as well as sounding amazing, it's a really, really interesting aircraft, especially considering what it was designed to do, or what it could have done, Scary times, man. 1950s. Obviously, I never lived through that time, so I don't know if it's an actual scary time. Maybe it was, or maybe that's just historical sensationalism. I don't know. I'm going to be building it in the white variant, just because, to be honest with you, I've seen black and white photos of it, and I've seen colour photos. Well, of course, obviously, it's going to be in black. Never mind. Basically, the white just, I think, looks a lot better. I don't know, it just gives off that very 60s kind of space age design. You know what I'm talking about, right? As much as it is to say I do love this other color pattern. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Take a look at this. Here's your colors there. Let me get a closer look on that. Obviously the other one's white, so yeah. A lot of decals. Oh gosh, a lot of decals. Obviously half of them are going to be for the other side of the plane, so there's that, but you have a decal map there, so there's that. All in all, the molding looks great. The instructions are phenomenal. Probably the best Airfix instructions I've seen in a while, so honestly, money well spent, I have to say. Obviously time will tell. I've never built the kit, so I don't know, but yeah, really, that's not much to say. Just looks like a really, really cool kit. Don't know when I'm going to start building this, because I'm currently building the... I'm actually building 3 kits at the moment. Will I talk about them? Maybe not. Well, one's a Cold War airplane, and the other is... no, I'm not going to talk about them, because they're nearly finished. So, if and whenever I get around to viewing those... Let's see here. Yeah, that's really it. Just more sprues. Molding looks brilliant. I don't see any flashing. And hopefully everything's in there, because you know what Airfix are like. So yeah, there you go. The Airfix Avro Vulcan. Can't wait to start building this kit. Okay, looks like that's it. See ya.